All right, so
Paparazzi's here.
so this is Steve. He says he's used to the paparazzi.
Okay.
All right, why don't you tell us a little bit about your ride? This looks like this looks pretty interesting. I've never seen anything like it before.
It is a 38 Chevy coupe.
A coupe, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I did a little custom work on it. I chopped the top to 2.5 inches.
Okay.
Inside my doors.
And how long have you had it?
About 15 years.
15 years?
Yeah.
Oh. So I hear that this is a pretty rare car. You want to tell us a little bit why?
Well, the truck bed in the back was an option in the 30s. So
this car is actually a truck.
It's a truck car.
Let's go look at that.
It's called a 38 coupe pickup.
All right, let's go look at it.
It has a little compartment on the bottom for your spare tire. And it's actually it is a truck bed.
And so you have a little article you want to show us to prove that this came from the factory like this.
I got rear-ended by a truck and I just left it there. But
look at that.
there it is. Super rare.
That is so neat. Well, thank you so much for showing us. This is, I've never ever seen anything like it.
Oh, choo 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 choo. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Love me, it's the mood I'm in. Love me, it's the mood that I'm in.
My risk early, ooh, just because my teeth are pearly. Yes, just because I always wear a smile, like to dress up in the lady style. Gee, I'm glad I'm living. Oh, take all my troubles, all with a smile. Just because my color's shady, slightly different maybe, that's why they call me Shine.
All right, everybody, we are here with Martine. How are you?
Hi, how you doing?
Good. Can you tell us a little bit about your ride?
Yeah, so it's a 1950 Chevy, full custom. And believe it or not, I picked it up in May.
This year?
May of this year, just the way you see it.
It is gorgeous.
So it's my good fortune, I happened to stumble on it. I drove all the way to Los Angeles to pick up a 48 Fleetline, like the car you see here right next to it.
yes, yes.
And unfortunately, the car wasn't what I was expecting. So I came back empty-handed, and my business partner emailed me from his son's birthday party, and he was telling the guests about the story how we had driven all the way down to San Diego to purchase this car and came back empty-handed.
Yeah.
And one of the guests says, well, you know, my neighbor's selling this car, right? And so next thing you know, they're texting me pictures. I saw the pictures, I fell in love with it immediately, reached out to the owner, went and met with him the next day.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
It's gorgeous.
Thank you.
And so what kind of motor we have in it?
So it's got the original 235 inline 6. It's got custom intake with a 4-barrel carb. It's got Legendaire. It's also got a T5 tranny.
Oh, wow.
It's got custom finishes on what was once chrome is now a polished nickel.
Oh, yeah, okay. I like
The
that.
grill is off a 1954 Corvette.
Wow.
The actual bumper's off a 55 Buick. The headlights are off of Ranchero. They've been recessed into the fender.
Goodness.
The doorknobs have been shaved off.
Yep.
And the roof's been chopped, 2.5 in the front, 3.5 in the back.
Okay, and who did that work?
That was all done in a shop in Pleasanton, Livermore area.
Well, thank you so much. Appreciate your time.
You're welcome. Thanks
All right,
for showing the vehicle.
Absolutely. It's Renee with Revolver on the Road, or some of you might know me from Revolver Clothing Company. So this is my channel dedicated to basically my adventures around this lifestyle. I'm constantly traveling to car shows and fashion shows, pinup contests, and I just love it, and I know that there's people out there that also enjoy this, so I just wanted to do my part to kind of share. And if you guys are into, you know, the custom culture car scene, pinups, vintage, anything from the trailers to fashion, and that's not just real vintage, but like vintage inspired, pinstriping, just, you know, all of that, please make sure that you subscribe and share it with your friends. I would really appreciate that. So thanks again. I wanted to tell you that I just, so far, the support and feedback that I've been getting from everybody has been just amazing, and I appreciate it, and there's so much more to come. as a little tidbit. It's not out yet, but very soon I'm going to be starting some interviews with some people in the industry, from professional pinup models to ones that are starting out, to business owners in the industry as far as vendors, or if they are brands trying to start out, as well as some other big names that I'm pretty excited. I'll be making that announcement soon. And but yeah, please do me a favor, subscribe, and make sure that you hit the bell so you get the notifications when I get a new when I put a new video out. And then if you have events like this that you think that I should come out and see, put those in the comments below, and I'd love to hear from you guys. All right, thanks again, and I hope you enjoy.